In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add HubSpot CRM tutorial for beginners. First, head to the HubSpot website and click Get Started Free. Sign up with your email or connect a Google account. No credit card required. Once you're in, complete any quick prompts and you'll land in your account. Next, get comfortable with the dashboard. This is your home base where you can see what matters at a glance. Explore contacts to store people and companies, deals to track opportunities, tasks to manage follow-ups, and reports to measure performance. Knowing where these live will save you time later. Now add your contacts. You can create a contact manually, which is perfect for a few leads, or import a CSV if you're moving from another tool. During import, map your columns so fields land in the right place. Be sure to include essentials like name, email, phone, and source so you can segment and prioritize. Using email as a unique identifier helps prevent duplicates. To tailor the CRM to your business, create custom properties. Go to Settings, then Properties, and select Create Property. Add fields such as lead status with values like new, contacted, or closed, service type tailored to what you offer, and source options like Facebook, TikTok, or referral. Choose the right field type. Dropdowns keep data clean and consistent. Set up your sales pipeline in Sales, then Deals. Define clear stages such as new lead, contacted, interested, proposal sent, and closed one. This structure mirrors your real process and makes forecasting easier. Create deals for each opportunity. Give every deal a descriptive name, add the amount, choose the current stage, and set an expected close date. Associate the deal with the relevant contact and company so all emails, notes, and calls stay in one timeline. Use tasks to stay on top of follow-ups. Create reminders to call a lead, send a proposal, or check back later, and add due dates and priorities so nothing slips. Connect your email in Settings. Link your Gmail or Outlook account to automatically log and track messages. You can choose which conversations to log, helping you keep sensitive threads private while preserving a full history with each contact. Automate simple workflows to save time. For example, when a new lead is created, send a welcome email. If there's no reply after a set period, create a follow-up task for yourself. Finally, track results with reports and dashboards. Monitor leads, sales, and conversion rates, spot bottlenecks, and adjust your pipeline or messaging accordingly. With these steps in place, your HubSpot CRM will be organized, actionable, and ready to grow with you.